time to preface the truck, the purchasing of the truck, the Tacoma, and the why, I guess. Going into the truck. So, first little bit of video we're going to see is me picking up the truck. I did shoot some video beforehand, driving there that morning. The reason I wore a green shirt was because I was going to look at a 96 single cab Tacoma, which didn't work out. I'm glad it didn't. It was going to be a lot more headache than I wanted, bodywork wise and paint wise, but it drove strong. Oh my God, it drove so strong. And it was a 5-speed. But long story short, that one didn't work out. Parked in the parking lot that was in Channelview. So I live an hour outside of, northwest outside of Houston and Navasota. I drove to Channelview. That was 2 hours away almost. Thank God for the Aggie Express, all these new tollways and stuff on the north side of Tomball. You can get places a lot faster, that's for sure. So I parked in a parking lot, though, after going to look at that truck in Channelview around the corner for about an hour, trying to follow up leads with other trucks that I've been looking at, to no avail. Then I found this truck, the one I ended up buying, out of nowhere. Never seen it. The whole time I've been shopping, never saw this truck once. If I did and I passed it over, maybe it was something I wasn't interested in at the time, but then you know how things change as you go looking at things and find out that, okay, this price range has got to change for me because this is obviously what this is bringing. So, nonetheless, I found this truck and it was an hour and a half closer to the house. Well, maybe not quite an hour and a half, at least an hour though, for sure, in Cypress, literally off of 249, off the, where the Aggie Express turns into the Tomball Express, whatever, toll road. I could have got there in 40 minutes from the house, truck and trailer. So I'd gotten that, that truck that day. Went for one truck, started trying to go look at many others, ended up looking at one other one, made it home with that truck that we have now. So we'll have fun with it. Hopefully it helps grow this channel as we do more to it, along with other content. So that being said, to preface the channel. So my idea is to learn things myself as we go and as we grow this channel. But what I like to do when I say learn things, we're men. We can't help but get into shit. Okay? This is the way it is. It's a natural selection of things. If you're a certain type of man, you just can't help but get into shit. Get your hands dirty, build things, make things, whatever. I know very little. I'm very anxious to learn a lot more. And I'm not scared to get my hands dirty. I'm not scared to ask a question. I'm not scared to grow in front of y'all, learn or not learn. Learn shit the hard way, like I always have. But this channel is hopefully going to help others that are like-minded as myself. Hopefully I will grow, the channel will grow, and some of y'all grow with me. If not, learn or just laugh at my ass. I don't care either way. Which leads me to the first point that's I'm going to call deeper thought, deeper meaning, philosophical type stuff. That is going to be, a good tool we will try to utilize as we go, being philosophical, recognizing as we go through life when these things come up that we can attach. When we hear something philosophical, address it and how it pertains to life at the moment, in a past experience, whatever it may be, as we go. Hopefully the channel gets better and we get more followers. All right, so we got us a truck. One a green one. Second. Oh well, he's in a lot better condition than all that other junk I've been looking at. Oh yeah. The other good news is this an 09. The DJM kit will work. Because it's an 05 to 14, I think, is what those work on. So anyway. Okay, so here let me explain. I did buy a DJM lowering suspension kit, a 3/4 lowering kit. The reason I bought that kit is I did have a Tacoma before this one. It was a 2012 pre-runner. Me being the idiot that I am and impatient, usually I'm pretty good at researching shit. And anyways, I found DJM, obviously being one of the only companies out there really doing a lowering kit for any kind of Tacoma, because the most part they are all four-wheel drive or four-wheel drive suspension based, hence pre-runner, meaning you can't, that kit's not for a pre-runner. It'll fit a 2012, not a pre-runner. It even says on their website in letters, kind of bigger at the top, will not fit on a pre-runner. I didn't see that for whatever reason. Didn't want to see it, I guess. So I bought it after I bought the truck, but before I got the truck home. Because really, honestly, I didn't know exactly what it was. I didn't know it was a pre-runner. I didn't get a lot of information other than I knew it was a good deal, so I jumped all over it. I literally give $3,000 for a 2012 pre-runner, double cab, and it had 250,000 miles on it, and it was pretty fucking clean. Only issue was didn't have a back seat, and the hood needed paint. I committed to this truck, and that's what I meant by, you know, needing to get a hold of Steven something. I can't remember the guy's last name. Let's go to my email. Steve Herrera. Yes. So yeah, to preface, that's why we're at where we're at right now with this truck. So now I need to edit all this bullshit and insert it. So she will work on this. I might let that guy know. Again, Steven, or Freddie got fingered. Clean little truck. Paid a little more than I wanted to, but no body work needed on this bit. Very minimal, like some jeans maybe. She did come from Pennsylvania, so it's got a little bit of, but not horrible. So not bad for the mileage. I'm very happy. Wish I didn't spend what I had to, but hey, guess what? Legit truck to drop. I'm fucking hungry. Fuck it, let's go eat. So, got the taco home. Sitting in the garage finally. Man, I'm ready to start throwing this kit on. So I got, like I was saying earlier, I got the 3/4 drop suspension kit. Yeah. Excited to get going on this bad boy. It's gonna be so much damn fun. And eventually we'll get to go over my garage. Every man wants a garage. He can call a shop. But yeah, just me and that guy. I don't know what his name is. Never did name him. Need a name for that guy. Should we name that guy right there? We probably should name that guy. Monday, it'll have that kit on and the plates, and we'll be driving back to work for my vacation on Tuesday. But anyhow, stay tuned for the fun.